Simage and Google both are coming together.
As the only chosen Google for Education partner in Bihar, Simage is bridging the gap between local talent and global opportunities. What happens when a leading institution from Bihar steps into the world of Google? It opens the door to a new chapter in future-ready learning, and that is exactly what's unfolding at Simage. And being chosen as the only Google for Education partner in Bihar and having a Google-certified cloud campus, at Simage we aspire to open the door of endless possibilities for our students. At Simage, the vision has always been to create an ecosystem where students learn beyond classrooms, gain real-world exposure, and develop skills required for the future. The vision took a significant step forward when a Google for Education spokesperson visited the Simage campus, engaging with the students and exploring the possibility of technology-driven learning. Taking this journey forward, Simage was invited to Google Ananta Bangalore, a moment of pride that reflected the growing connection between Bihar's education ecosystem and global technology platforms. During this remarkable visit, Director Sir shared his experience.
I am very happy to announce that we are the first Google for Education partner in Bihar. We are now Google Cloud Digital Campus, GCDC, the first Google Cloud Digital Campus in Bihar, and our 3,500 plus students will get access to 200 plus Google softwares, Google applications, and Google AI licenses, Google Pro version of AI licenses, Notebook LM, and Gemini licenses. And they are also going to get free courses, free certification from Google. Our faculty team will get training from Google. Our staff team will get access to Google. Everybody will get a Google console, unlimited mails on Google, unlimited space on Google Drive. With this partnership, lot of benefits and lot of opportunities are there for our students to develop new models, to research, to do educational research, and to utilize AI and to get empowered with the capacity of AI and with the potential of AI. So recently we got an invitation to visit Google Ananta campus at Bangalore. This is the biggest facility Google has established in our country. For us, visiting the Google facility in India was definitely a learning experience. वैसे भी Google के जितने भी ऑफिसेज हैं, उनका जो वर्क इन्वायरमेंट है, जो वहाँ का कल्चर है, उसको देखना, समझना, जानना, ये अपने आप में बहुत ही सुंदर संयोग का विषय होता है। और वहाँ पर जिस तरह से जो फैसिलिटीज़ को हमने देखा, जो एक वहाँ के वर्क इन्वायरमेंट को देखा, मेरा ये प्रयास होगा कि सिमेज में भले ही छोटे स्तर पर हो, लेकिन एक वैसा इकोसिस्टम डेवलप किया जाए जहाँ पर लोग अपने परफॉर्मेंस में, अपने एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस में, अपने वर्क में वो उस एक्सेलेंस को अचीव कर सकें जो एक्सेलेंस गूगल में काम करते वक्त गूगलर्स अचीव कर पाते हैं। और हमने भी प्रयास किया है कि इस तरह का एक ओपन एनवायरनमेंट मिले, इस तरह का एक वर्किंग इकोसिस्टम मिले जहाँ पर लोग पीयर टू पीयर नॉलेज शेयरिंग करें और जहाँ पर वर्क काम जो है वो प्रेशर ना हो, काम जो है वो सेलिब्रेशन हो। Thank you.
Because at Simage, technology is not just about tools, it's about creating possibilities.
Simage is always known to find the gap. गैप कहाँ है, कहाँ पे बच्चों की ज़रूरतें हैं जो Simage को एक्सेल कराती है या Simage के बच्चों को नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाती है। बिहार में बहुत से कॉलेजेस हैं जो BBA BCA करा रहे हैं, बट Simage के बच्चों में वो क्या खास है? Simage हर वक्त खोजता रहता है, ढूंढता रहता है वो एक्स्ट्रा क्या चीज़ हम बच्चों को दें, और यही खोज हमें लेकर के गई गूगल के पास। Now Simage is proud to say, we are proud to say that we are a Google certified campus, the only one in Bihar. And it was a very proud moment for us जब हम उस कैंपस में घूम रहे थे और हमने रियलाइज़ किया क्या कुछ हम बच्चों को वहाँ पे करा सकते हैं। Not in just terms of knowledge, but also certifications, तरह तरह की नई टेक्निक्स जो वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं, which would help them more in placements.
You are going to organizations that are already invested in either Google products or Microsoft products or something else, right? They're heavily invested in AI. If your students go there as freshers with AI tools, how to use AI tools to be productive and actually end up doing things faster and better, then they're better placeable, right? They're of higher value.
We are proud to say that हमारे काफ़ी बच्चों को अब as campus ambassadors Google ने select किया है, and when we were roaming about the campus, we felt so proud. हमें लग रहा था कि हम क्या क्या चीज़ें सीख लें और हमारे बच्चों को सिखा दें।
So जो आपने बोला मैंने कुछ टूटा फूटा प्रॉम्प्ट लिख दिया वर्ड पे, वेल
वर्ड पे लिखा है आपने?
हाँ जी, वर्ड पे लिखा
So on Word you have integrated
Yes,
this Gemini tool.
ये देखिए यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है Gemini tool.
Yes.
From a vision in Bihar to an experience at Google Ananta, this journey represents a commitment to bringing world-class learning opportunities closer to students.
We are proud